Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up you all self, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my people, you know, see a video sent to me recently, but people, and them say NEWLINK, this is basically from, you know what I mean, a couple tourists who recently visited Jamaica on Negril side. And when they ask some question pertaining to their trip in Jamaica, how was it, and my people, I'm going to share this video with you all so you can hear their response, you understand, about their experience and their thoughts about their trip. And they don't know conditions in Jamaica, so check it out, my people.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hi, how was dinner today?
It was lovely.
Good. So tell me, is this your first time to Jamaica?
It is not to Jamaica, but to Negril.
Oh, great. And how was the flight coming down?
The flight was beautiful. The airport was beautiful. We got through the airport very quickly, but the drive here was horrendous.
Tell me what the problem was.
It was 4 hours on a bumpy road. The road conditions were just it. If you want people to come back to Negril and to come to Jamaica and enjoy everything you have, then you have to build infrastructure, and the roads to get here make you think twice about coming back, because it took us 4 hours to get from the airport to here, which was longer than my flight from Toronto, Canada to here.
Unbelievable. Well, you know, the government is on a mission. They're doing a bypass from the Montego Bay Airport, so you don't have to go through the town. And they're fixing the roads, they're widening the roads, and I'm hoping that they listen to what our people, what the guests are saying, what the visitors are saying.
Do you think we can get them to do it quicker so we can come back?
You know how governments work.
Because you're building more and more hotels,
I know,
which are going to make the roads even more busier, right?
Yes.
And you're just going to frustrate people and leave them with a bad taste in their mouth, and then they won't come back. They'll go somewhere else.
Very well said, Nadia. And I want to thank you, and I hope you won't forget about us, and maybe give us a next chance and see if we can, see if you don't have a better trip, and probably come on a Sunday.
Okay, deal. Never on a Friday.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can hear from this couple, you understand? Well, they never sound too bad. They never sound too harsh like the mother, you know what I mean? But really and truly, my people. And I want to be truthful and realistic. You know what I mean? I'm not going to tear down Andrew, our Prime Minister. I'm not going to bash who responsible for fix the roads. You know why? It's been years since I haven't drive on that side of road. A long time I no go Negril. I no go Negril over 10 years, I would say. Or maybe more. Long time I no go Negril. Long time I haven't went that place, my people. You know what I mean? So I don't know the condition of the road. And what I know is, to be honest, cause me not like be one-sided, you know. I saw where the government is doing a lot of remodeling with roads, building highways, and what heap of something I go on. Because the last time I was in Jamaica a few months ago, I went to St. Thomas. And up in a St. Thomas there now, I see where the road for sure dig up what heap of thing, because what them a build this highway thing from get out of Kingston there that can lead us straight back up in a Portland there. You know what I mean? So at least them a do something, but you know what I mean? Yeah. So me know that be my work, and I say man a work. I see the Chinese, them I say local Jamaican a work, right? But for down that side there, in Hanover side to Negril or with whatever side, I don't know the condition of the road. Zine, I don't know it. But all I can say, they drove on it and they said the road is bad. So Mr. Andrew, all I'm asking you, please, get this road fixed. If the road is bad, Minister of Transport of Works or Minister of who fi fix road, you understand? Please fix the road on this. So hear the plea from the visitors, because we want the visitor them, you know. And if they can't tell us say to drive from this or go down this, so it longer than them must say 4 or 3 hour flight from Canada come to Jamaica, then fix the road, man. Fix the road, because Negril, you know, is one of our main part when it comes on to tourism in Jamaica. Brought in a lot of tourists. Negril, you understand? Ritz Cafe. So get this thing up and running, man. Get it up and running. As I said, people, I don't know which road to drive on, because it's been a while I haven't gone down there. So I don't know the condition of the road, and I can't say this, but they give their views and they give their thoughts, and they say that's basically maybe the only problem why they wouldn't basically return. You understand? So if we can get it up, please do, man. Please do. You see? Please do. Yeah, man, please do. So you don't know the thing go. My people, I don't have, you know what I mean, much to say, because I don't know the road. I haven't been there. So person from Westmoreland side or who live down that side, give me some heads up. How's the road? Is it the road from Hanover, from Montego Bay down to Negril? Is it bad? Like bad? That's, you have to take time to drive through the potholes, and let me know. Give me some heads up, man, in the comment. Please let me know. You understand? And I hope this video can reach the necessary people so they can really get this thing fixed, because it need to fix, really and truly. So big up on yourself, my people, and enough love, enough respect, man, and thank you for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and all comments. You know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, and just do the right thing, my people. Please do the right thing, man. Be safe and be great. And my visitors, please come back to Jamaica, man. Don't let the road stop on you. Come enjoy Jamaica, please. Forward. Don't let the road stop on you. Road a bill, man. Road a fix up. Peace out. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And follow me on all social media platforms, people. Blessings. Thank you all. Enough love.